This chorizo con huevo is ready in under 10 minutes, and it's my favorite go-to breakfast for any morning. Stay tuned, we'll be right back with a full recipe. Hola amigos, welcome back to Tex-Mex at Home. Today we're making chorizo con huevo, or chorizo and egg, a classic Mexican and Tex-Mex breakfast that's flavorful and perfect for the whole family. This is one of those recipes that becomes a staple in your home because it's easy, fast, and absolutely delicious. For more Tex-Mex breakfast recipes, visit us at texmexathome.com. Now let's get started. This recipe makes enough for 4 to 6 people. For today's recipe, we will need 4 to 6 ounces of chorizo and 6 eggs. First, I like to prepare my eggs. Just crack the eggs into a bowl and lightly whisk them. No salt or pepper needed. The chorizo brings all the flavor you need. Set the eggs aside and let's cook the chorizo. If you're enjoying this recipe so far, remember to like and subscribe so we can keep cooking together. Set the heat to medium, and once the pan is hot, add the chorizo. Here, we don't need to add any oil. The chorizo brings its own flavor and oil. Break it up and cook it for about 3 to 5 minutes. You'll see the color change from bright red to a deeper, darker brown. Now that the chorizo is ready, lower the heat to medium-low and add your eggs. Gently mix everything and let the eggs cook through. This takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Our chorizo con huevo is ready. You can serve it with warm corn or flour tortillas and make tacos, or add beans on the side. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want more Tex-Mex at Home recipes, hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new one. Now, let's give it a try. Sabroso. I'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego.